So that way, you finally stop missing the opportunities when they present themselves to you. And so that you have the money and resources to take full advantage of them. Because quite frankly, you can't afford to keep losing opportunities after opportunities. But here's the good news. Starting to make your first few $1,000s online in 2024 is actually pretty simple. It literally only takes 5 steps. And in today's video, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step bulletproof plan to do that. And it all starts with step 1. Which is action-based goals. Here's the deal. You have to stop setting result-oriented goals because these types of goals, more often than not, hurt more than they help. First, because they put that result on a pedestal. And whatever you put on a pedestal in life, you're psychologically telling yourself that you don't deserve to achieve such thing because that's something that is above you. Hence why the expression put on a pedestal. Second, because result-based goals are not action-oriented. If your goal is to get to $10,000 a month, you have no measurable way to judge if the work you're doing right now is actually moving you towards that goal. And in that case, you just have to resort to judging your progress subjectively.